How do you attract the clients that are meant for you? How do you enjoy your business even more? I'll show you how today. My clients and I have been working very hard on all of our end of year business planning to get ready for the coming year. And a big topic that comes up is, how do I love this business more and work with people that I really enjoy and want to stay in touch with for years and years? Because we all know real estate is a relationship business. Today, I'll dive into some of the tools that we are exploring together to make sure that our business is aligned and lights us up. There's really one secret to having a business that feels aligned and lights you up inside. And guess what it is? It's you, being authentically you. Let's explore what that means. Let's say that you're a very data-driven person. You're a numbers person. You love to analyze the market and see where things are going and chart the trends. You will attract the engineers, the attorneys, the bankers, the people that like to see numbers, data, charts, like to take all the information in before they're making a decision. You're probably very organized. You're probably leading them step by step along the way. That's going to make them feel safe, and they're going to feel more connected to you. If the party person meets the engineer person, those two will probably not be the best match because their personalities just aren't aligning. The engineer person would probably never reach out to the person that is on social media, always the life of the party, because they won't even be attracted to that. So that's what I mean by leaning in to your strengths and to who you are as a person. Many times when I meet agents, I ask them what made them get their license, what made them go into the business. And a lot of times I get the answer, I just want to help people. If you're that nurturing helper person, lean into that. You will be the person that is on the phone with the client for an hour, listening to what's going on in their life, reading between the lines, seeing how you can come alongside them to help them. This might be an overwhelming situation for them. Selling a home can be stressful. Buying a home can be stressful. Perhaps they're looking for that caring, compassionate agent that understands them, that taps into those feelings. If you're that person, lean into that side of you and project that when you meet people or when you're online. Being authentically you is a huge part of your marketing and your prospecting. If you are that data-driven, analytical person, perhaps you are going to co-host a class with a lender, with a financial planner, where you can educate people and walk them through these details that you love. If you are the party person, go to every event, every party, every networking opportunity, work the room, be you, be yourself, and have fun and lean into that. If you are that nurturing person, maybe you're the person that gives gifts when someone's going through a hard time or sends a handwritten card. Those touches will mean something to the people that are similar to you, that are aligned with you. So think about that. If you're not this aggressive salesperson that's going to go door knocking and talk to strangers every day, you're not going to show up and do that because it doesn't align with who you are. If you're terrified to talk on the phone, you're not going to pick it up and start cold calling people, no matter what your coach tells you. If that doesn't align with who you are and what you're going to be about in your business, you're not going to do it. I see this time and time again. If somebody else tells you to do something, but it isn't who you are, it doesn't align with your values or your personality, you just won't do it. And then you'll wonder why your business is failing. It's only failing because you're not actually being true to who you are. So here's how I made being a real estate agent and an entrepreneur work for me. I looked at who I was. I'm an artist. I'm very organized. I love to step people through all steps of the process. I like to I actually lean into the transaction side, the paperwork side. I love that side. That's where my strengths are. I'm a natural educator, a teacher, a coach. Those are the things that my clients love about me. They know they're in great hands. They know I will never leave a detail left alone and that I will guide them the entire way through the process. I might not throw them a party. That's not really my personality, but I will guide them and protect them and educate them the entire way through. And because I'm an artist, I have started incorporating that into my business as well. I want my clients to know all about me. I love to travel. I'm a native of Arizona. There's a lot of fun things that I can lean into that are uniquely me that my clients will appreciate and enjoy. I will attract the clients that want someone that feels more like a friend and a trusted advisor at the same time. So I will lean into that for my business for the coming year. How will you lean into who you are for your business this coming year? Here's the secret. Being authentically you just feels better. Leaning into who you are and what you love will attract the clients that are meant for you. So what will you lean into this coming year? Drop it below in the comments. I would love to hear and I would love to support you in your business.